Adam sat alone in his room, holding the results in his hand. Failed. His emotions were a storm of contradiction, disappointment, anger, frustration. Everything felt like it was slipping through his fingers. But he refused to let these feelings define him. In a moment of profound silence, he made a choice. I will not let failure write my story. I will change my life completely. And so the true journey began, a journey from failure to becoming a successful doctor. These are the 5 steps that transformed his life. Step 1. Self-confidence. Adam realized that true success begins with believing in yourself. Despite the setbacks, he told himself, I deserve success, and I am capable of achieving it. Step 2. A precise plan. Adam stopped studying aimlessly. He structured his day, set weekly goals, and tracked his progress step by step. Every minute was calculated. Step 3. Repetition to combat forgetfulness. Adam discovered that forgetting is natural. The solution was simple: consistent repetition. Through repetition, information became engraved in his mind. Step 4. Continuous learning from mistakes. Every mistake wasn't a failure. It was a lesson. Adam didn't fear falling. He learned from every stumble and grew stronger. Step 5. Perseverance against all odds. Even when exhaustion crept in, he never gave up. He kept working every single day, whispering, "Success requires patience. I will get there." In the end, after years of struggle, Adam became a successful doctor. It wasn't luck. It was commitment. Remember, today's failure could be the opening chapter of your success story. Take that first step. Trust yourself. And eventually, you will reach what you once thought was impossible.